Hello, historians. Welcome to our virtual classroom. This is just a neat little place that looks a lot like our regular classroom, except, of course, that blue comfy couch. During Corona times, we can't have the fluffy couch to share, but we've got our music. We've got links to places that you'll use a lot in this class. And if you're away from class and you're at home, this might be just the way to make you feel like you're part of everything. That's me sitting on the virtual couch. I'm going to take you on a little tour using my cursor. If you'll start over here on the little table next to the couch, there's your lunch. And if you hover over that lunch and click it, it'll take you straight to the cafeteria menu. Pretty easy to navigate. Just find Hereford High School, click it, and find out what's for lunch today. If you're on campus, the easy way to do that is to go to Classroom and order some lunch. I plan to order some lunch today. Don't know which one of these lovely choices that I'll pick. It'll probably be the grilled cheese sandwich. So there's that. Now I'm back in the classroom. Hover over this icon, and that'll take you straight to Google Classroom. This one will take you to Flipgrid. You have a little activity from Flipgrid in Google Classroom today, so you could click Flipgrid, or you could click Google Classroom, and you'll eventually get to the activity that I lined up for you today. Here's the easy click to Edgenuity. And I'll just show you. There's your student login right there. You may be wondering if I have rules in my class or if I don't. I think you all walked in understanding the rules because not one person has violated a rule yet. But if you did want to know, click that red button. I'm going to go over them with you right now, as long as we're here. The classroom expectations in HCAL Social Studies class are as forward, as you see. The very most important rule in that class is that students and teachers will treat each other with kindness and with respect. I want you to feel safe in room 113. I want you to not walk in thinking anyone's going to make you feel like you don't belong or make you feel less than yourself. Everybody's gone along with rule number 1 beautifully. Your phone's checked in at the beginning of the day. Good job, everybody. I think that might be why every single person who has logged on to Edgenuity in HCAL Social Studies, no matter what course you're taking, is ahead. You are in the green, or at least in the blue. So that means that you're not distracted. You are totally on track. Backpacks under your desk. Work on your assignments until class is dismissed by my nice little phone alarm. Stay awake and alert. Starting next Tuesday, September the 4th, we will have live lessons in U.S. history. They'll be short. There'll be lessons to help you get ready for your end of course test. And when I'm speaking, I'm speaking. When you're speaking, you're speaking. I don't anticipate trouble with that, but that's the rule in our class. And that's likely the rule in any college class that you'll be in. If you need to leave the room to go to the office or the restroom, ask permission. One student leaves at a time. Don't leave in the first 10 minutes of class because that's when I'm reminding you of what you need to be doing. You might have an activity in Google Classroom or on Flipgrid, and I want to point you in that direction. Don't want you to miss anything. Respect the area behind my desk and stay seated till class is dismissed. And then we have a few rules thrown in at the bottom for the crazy pandemic times which we are in. You have to leave your tables and your chairs where they belong because we've spaced everything out so that you're physically distanced from each other. Wear your mask. I'll wear my mask. I don't love wearing a mask. At times I want to rip it off, but we can do this. If you have a drink with you, you may not remove your mask to drink it. You'll need a straw. You can lift your mask from the bottom, take a drink, put your mask quickly back on. Drinks must be covered to avoid spills. You need to have a lid of some sort on your drink. And no snacking in class, and that's across the board. All the HCAL classes are not snacking as much as sometimes I would like to be snacking. And I'll add things as the year goes on to this classroom. We'll change it up a bit. Send me your Bitmoji. I'll put it in my classroom. It'll be your little Bitmoji can show up in our classroom, and it'll even look more like our virtual or our real classroom. You might hover over the boom box and see what any music comes out. This lava lamp has a link attached to it. Of course, they're going to make you play the ad first, so there we go. Might be my favorite link in the whole thing. When you need a break, when you need to escape, you can go to the lava lamp for a few minutes, listen to some tunes. All right, over and out.